Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we have discussed about the factorial, how to print the factorial of a given number in these three formats. Now in this video, we are going to print the largest number in the three numbers, and given that instructions that take input from this user and use the if-else conditional statements. So now let's go through this problem, how to print the largest number in these three numbers. First, take input from this user. First, consider as num1 is equals to, as we know that as usual way we take input from this user. Nothing but enter number 1. This is the way we are going to take the input from the user. Okay. So for simpler way, simply copy and paste the statements. Now we are going to use the input of the num1 and input for the num1, num2, num3. So step 1 is to completed. We have taken input from the user, that is nothing but num is equals to int of input, enter a number. Now we have to use if else condition to find the largest number in the three numbers. First use this if else condition, if statement. If the entered num1 is greater than, if entered num1 is greater than num2, and we have to use and num1 is greater than num3, then we have to print the largest number among num1, num2, num3 is num1. We are going to print the num1. As you know that by according to if else condition, we can print that num1 is the largest number, and we have to use the else if it's nothing but elif of num2 is greater than num3 and num2 is greater than num1. It means that we have to print, we have to use the formatted text, that is nothing but the largest number among the three numbers, which is nothing but we are going to print in the normal way, is num1, and that is the way we have used the formatted text. In this num1, num2, num3 and num3 is num2 the largest number among the three numbers. As usual, we are going to use the else statement, whereas we no need to define anything else. We just want to print this statement. The largest number among this is num3. That is nothing but a num3. Let us run this program and let's see what do we get as a result. So let's run this program, how to print the largest number in between the three numbers. So it asks that enter number 1. Let us enter number 1 as 2 and enter number 2 as 3, enter number 3 as 4. Let us see the largest number among 2, 3, 4 is 4. It has printed the largest number is 4. Now let us try with an equal number. So what if num1, num2, num3 are equal? So we are going to use another elif statement, that is nothing but elif if num1 double is equals to num2 double is equals to num3, then what we are going to print we are going to print f of the num1 comma num2 comma num3 are equal. Num1, num2, num3 are equal. There is no largest number among the three numbers, so all are equal. Let us enter as a, let's try with 1, 1, 1. Let us run this program. 1, 1, 1, all are equal. These numbers are equal. all numbers are equal. So this is the way we are going to print the largest among the three numbers. Okay, this is the Python program code for the largest among the three numbers. Okay, let us try for 0, 10 and then 100. The largest number among 0, 10, 100 is 100. Okay, this is the way number 3 is the largest number among these all numbers. Okay, this is the format we are going to print the largest number among the three numbers. So finally, thank you. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please go to the comment section and comment it out.